Make a great choice today with the 2025 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, glass breakage sensor, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.